Hey guys, today we're making General Tso's ground chicken version. So we have ground chicken in the pack, and what I love about this recipe is it's easy to make once you make the sauce. It's really good reheated, and it's ground chicken.
All right, so one other thing about this recipe is we are gonna use an oil sprayer. This controls the amount of added fat that we are adding to the dish. Each spray is 1/4 of a teaspoon. We're gonna put this recipe over cauliflower rice. So a lower carbohydrate option, we're gonna get some carbs from the sauce. So to make it a balanced meal that's not too high in carbohydrates, we're gonna do the cauliflower rice. You ready to make this one?
I am, let's do it. Here it is, General Tso's chicken packed with 5 cups of broccoli.
It's an awesome recipe reheated. You can put it over rice cauliflower. For this recipe and so many more, go to healthysupsnutrition.com.